Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS. I am on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's morning show. Alright, reports reaching me from goal.com and the Sun. Now, the fact say Arsenal don't they ready to pay £55 million for Jules Koundé. Now, say in recent days now, we hear say Barcelona want sell Jules Koundé. They want to, because the way they now they need to sell before they can buy. They want to sell Frankie De Jong. They want to sell Ansu Fati, Jules Koundé, plus Ferran Torres. Like anybody they fit sell, with they available for sale. You get, it's possible say they will sell them. But based on the heroics of Jules Koundé in the Copa del Rey, I don't really know whether they still want to sell him. But the media is still reporting that Arsenal are ready to pay £55 million for Jules Koundé. So you go see people like Goal.com, they say Arsenal ready to bid £55 million to sign Jules Koundé from Barcelona, as Mikel Arteta admires the defender's versatility. This guy they play right back for Barcelona, you get, but the original place where him prefer to play is centre back. But Barcelona don't want to play him in centre back. They like playing the likes of Kubarsi and Co. But they still make him play right back. Now that right back they can do Vinicius Junior yesterday because I watched the game. So when you look at the report put out by Goal.com, when you look at the entirety of the report, you see a portion where they ask what happened. The Sun is reporting that Arsenal are ready to make a significant move to bolster their defense with a bid for the Barcelona defender who has played a crucial role in the Blaugrana's push to win the treble this season. Now, did you know that despite becoming a regular at right back, Jules Koundé has expressed the preference for playing in the center of the fence? Gaining that opportunity at Arsenal will be difficult, with William Saliba and Leroy Magalhaes likely to remain the preferred partnership. Gabriel is sidelined with a hamstring injury, but is likely to be fit for the start of next season. However, Jules Koundé's versatility is being able to play on the right and in the middle would give Mikel Arteta more flexibility. So obviously, you don't see why. I think I know the key they hear versatility. Say this person is versatile. When I play right back, I'm just center back. Baba go Russian. In fact, now later I can go do research on why teams they pursue this Dean Hodgson of Bournemouth. Why is Liverpool going? Why is Newcastle, Arsenal, Chelsea? What's in there about this guy? Apart from his height, he tall and he did very, very mobile. What is so special about this guy? Everybody said the pursue him, but the money 50 million, everybody said it's too high. I can't discover say the guy is two-footed. Now I can understand why Arteta the final. That guy can replace Magalhaes, he can replace Saliba. He can play right-sided centre back comfortably. He can play left-sided centre back comfortably, just like Virgil van Dijk, who is two-footed. So he can play like anything centre back, leave him for him. So go be like say they sign two players in one. That's now you don't clear why everybody is going for the player. But let's just be watching. Like I told you, even the Sun. This is how the Sun reported the story. Arsenal lining up 55 million bid for Barcelona defender Jules Koundé. When you look at the Sky Sports paper talk, so you will see the news there. All right, away from that, this one for you to know say the PSG match we won't play for the Emirates Stadium. That match go mad past Real Madrid. Football London is reporting that records have already been broken with major ticket demand for Arsenal versus PSG Champions League clash. The report is a lengthy report, but when you read the entirety of the report, you see where they say for the PSG match, the demand was understandably massive, even greater than with the visit of Real Madrid in the quarterfinals. When you read that, you will see different section of the tickets. People they rush. People never even buy before, because this is like maybe the third time in our history we are entering the semi-finals of the Champions League. So everybody want mark that register. Say I was there when Arsenal participated in this match. I was there for record keeping. You get. So I like the fact that people they show many like major interest. When you go back to the match you played against Real Madrid, one of our community member when they London, they talk say CHUKS. If you see the people where they outside for the match against Real Madrid, then plenty pass people waiting inside the stadium. So maybe we are going to get the same atmosphere again. And the more people buy the tickets, the more people come to the match, the more electrifying the atmosphere is going to be, the more hostile the atmosphere is going to be against this. How many PSG fans won't come? Highest 2,500. Last time, never give them the extra 500 in the fight to make it 3,000. So the atmosphere is crazy. Myself, I did very, very happy with the turnaround because this is like a milestone in our history. Now, away from that, so I stumbled upon this report where they say Rodri is going to be back. In fact, Rodri don't come back to training, for those who know they are aware. So many people going to talk on social media and the media space. Based on say Rodri don't come back, Alan said will soon come back. Maybe Man City go win the FA Cup based on say Rodri don't come back and they go finish second after go like so many conspiracy theories and conjectures. Everybody just they talk what they like, but that one said, alright, let's talk about the Copa del Rey final. I watch them. I don't know how enough. I watch them. 2-2 regular time. Then I take extra time. Real Madrid win 3-2. That juice count the way they also will define. I scored the winning goal. They wiped the shot from outside. And the enter. But the match had so many dramatic personages, so many drama will happen inside that match. Now, some of the notable moments of that match. Now, red cards we then give to 3 Real Madrid players. Now, Antonio Rudiger, we collect your red card. What did he do? Rudiger throw ice into the pitch because you know like what the referee do. So referee come and another time the boss man say, "When I know say this referee no like una, you don't already cry for press conference. Now call the turn time, And make I no lie for you, forget say I be Arsenal fan, but I still get soft spot for Real Madrid. Real Madrid players no try yesterday. They need to know how to keep their emotions in check because how do you run into the field of play to shout? You will be saying now outside the door they don't substitute you, don't come on. So match never finish. You run that field, they shout for referee. Who are you? Who gives you that audacity, that temerity? Who are you? So referee don't get any choice. Referee give Jude Bellingham red card. Say Bellingham come with him aggressively. So like so many things happened that yesterday. Like it was a bit crazy. Now, when you say at the end of the match, the referee wrote in his report that the reason he sent off Jude Bellingham was for approaching him aggressively. You get. Now, when you say even Rudiger will throw ice. Rudiger, Bellingham, Lucas Vazquez, they all receive red cards for that match yesterday. They will be suspended by the federation. In fact, they will receive extra ban from waiting at the here. And now it will affect their own La Liga title challenge, their campaign. You get. Because imagine these 3 people missing. Rudiger can be banned for up to 12 games from what I'm hearing. Because why you go throw you want bust the referee head? Like what? So I don't understand. You get. So even Cavaya herself, they're supposed to give this guy red card because instead they shout, "Son of a Kinikon, cowards!" Like the whole Real Madrid players, they lost it that yesterday. They really lost it. By the end of the day, at least Barcelona don't win the Copa del Rey and deservedly. Because look at the Barcelona without the Lewandowski. Played so very well. Like look at Yamin Lamar. This guy is 17 years old. And the guy don't win so much. At the end of the day, when Jules Kounde scored, Jules Kounde can't copy Bukayo Saka celebration the same way the Saka scored against Real Madrid. Because in fact, Real Madrid fans carry Arsenal jersey come the stadium. I tell you, Madrid fans, Barcelona fans carry Arsenal jersey come the stadium. Like that yesterday, it was a bit crazy, like drama, like. Well, it is what it is. Look at the mistakes Thibaut Courtois make for the equalizer and the back captain do 2-2. What did they come aside for? Like I couldn't sit down and watch the match. It was crazy. They need to sanction Real Madrid because Real Madrid they feel say they are above everybody. They are above La Liga president, referees. No. That type of thing they happen with La Liga. It can never happen in the EPL. I'm not gonna lie for you. It can never happen, but it is what it is. Alright, let's really say from one of our sponsors in Mr. Anayo, who's a real estate agent. He has 14 plots of land for sale at Nora Scott's Luxury Estates in Ohia Igbelu, Rubber Estate at the back of airport in Abara Icheneche local government area of River State. So for this 14 plots, 6 plots did together, 4 plots did together, 3 plots did together, and 1 standalone, and it's 1.2 million per plot. So if you want to reach out to Mr. Anayo, you can call him on 080-3276-5227 and 081-193-29922. So like I said, if you're interested in this piece of property, you have to reach out to him. Now, Tony Cascarino, can they explain why he would rather get Saka over Mbappe and Vinicius Jr.? Now, Babako they explain say Bukayo Saka is a team player. You get the guy, like, you know, they that selfish, but look at Vinicius Junior, very selfish. And they call it say Mbappe joining Real Madrid, they cause them more harm than good because it unbalances the team. Real Madrid as in day now, they no get balance. You get they do, oh yeah, just carry the ball, give Mbappe, make him go do anything. Yeah, just carry the ball, give Vinicius Junior, make him go do magic. You get they don't get structure, they know they stable. Yeah, so these are the things where media already talk about Real Madrid when they play against Arsenal, and it is coming to the forefront again. Everybody they see it, which is why they want to sack Ancelotti. But sacking Ancelotti is not the problem. When I enter Copa del Rey final, at the end of the day, maybe we go finish second for La Liga. We are still the Super Cup final. I think they enter the Super Cup final. We blast in the back and win that. I don't even know who win that one again. So like this, they did well, you get, but just say back at they don't pass them, you get, because back at they plan to win all the whole competition. In fact, do you know that this what's it Hansi Flick of Barcelona don't win Real Madrid 3 times in a row now, 3 times. They say apart from Pep, he's the only person who don't do them again. So and Brazil Federation now this morning, according to Fabrizio Romano, they don't carry their own reports, their own proposal. Don't send emissaries. They will give Ancelotti say, Papa, we beg you, come join us. No, I beg. But we never really know. We just watch. Anyhow, we do that. All right, away from that. So for Messi, call the talk to see the best possible move for Alexander Isak is for him to stay at Arsenal, and at the same time, say if Arsenal sign this guy, Arsenal go win the league with 10 points gap. Say sure for that, you get. Say look at the second paragraph. Arsenal seem likely the best possible move for him if he leaves Newcastle. Though if the Gunners get him, they will win the league by 10 points. Now what will be your own analysis, get? But me and you know say it's possible for Isak to come and join us. Now Newcastle are not going to release him. They're not going to sell him. So what's the point? But no going to put him to where our no reach. Now for Talk Sports, they call the interview Aaron Ramsdale. So you got to talk about the match where Arsenal go play against PSG and the battle between Bukayo Saka and Nuno Mendes. So Babako they say, you see for that match, say in trust Bukayo Saka, say Saka go lick that guy like a pot of soup. And why are people asking this question? It is because when Liverpool played PSG, Nuno Mendes kept out Salah, like Salah no see anything do. But you need to still remember, say for the first leg we play, we will beat PSG 2-0. After the game, Nuno Mendes come and second testify, say the best winger wey him don face, wey be say 100 him dey give the guy na Saka. Say the guy dey very very tricky, dey very very good. This statement is still out there in the public domain. So ahead of the first leg clash, Aaron Ramsdale spoke to TalkSport to discuss his former side's Champions League run. Moreover, he spotlighted the matchup between Nuno Mendes and Bukayo Saka, and this is what Ramsdale said. He's a key player. Like I said, he's been out for a long time, but he's still churning out the performances and getting the stats up. I think that will be a crucial battle between Mendes and Bukayo, but I've got every faith that Bukayo comes out on top and he'll be the one to push Arsenal through. Nobody they argue him. Now, this same PSG, their captain, Marquinhos, come and say, talk, waiting everybody said on the talk. We know Arsenal are very strong in set pieces. And say then go still try how they go take secure their own defense and prepare. You get, they know like now one of Arsenal's strengths. And why people they mention this is because Oginis will beat them. One of their goals too now 3 set pieces. They say 38% of the goals when PSG don't concede this season are 3 set pieces. They really don't know how to defend them. And you know say Arsenal have a unique way of playing set pieces. They don't go follow Nadir, they mean that they drag body, they'll just go stay for one place. Before the guy don't give the signal, make him play, all of them will just run. Take strategic position, blockers go block. Yes, look at how we just blocked the Crystal Palace game. The computer just get free head by enter. So who says that cannot happen against this PSG side? Let's watch and see. Yeah. For the first match we will play against PSG, Chevina Kayabas now boss net against Donnarumma away of the opponents. I don't forget. So that threat is always going to be there. Now let's bring a message from another of our sponsor, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. So they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the day is the fact that Goal.com and The Sun, they are reporting that Arsenal are ready to pay £55 million for Jules Koundé, who was a match winner in the Copa del Rey final match yesterday against Real Madrid. So more just the word, because we know say Barcelona are open to selling the guy, but based on this latest heroics, whether they go sell him, but just to watch. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. It's like come your way in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Let them out. Alright guys. Ciao.